Mid-diastolic murmur. A mid-diastolic murmur begins after the second sound and peaks in mid-diastole. Common causes are mitral stenosis and tricuspid stenosis. The murmur of mitral stenosis is a low-frequency, crescendo-decrescendo rumble, heard at the apex with the bell lightly held. If it radiates, it does so minimally to the axilla. Mitral stenosis normally produces 3 distinct abnormalities which can be heard. 1. A loud first sound. 2. An opening snap. And 3. A mid-diastolic rumble with a late diastolic accentuation.